Hello fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My wonderful fans, Yo is about to give us another show. You see those Isi Mary Joffo, all those dancing where they dance on social media. Mona forget that level. That one beating around the bush. Yo never even start to give us the real details. Now we won't begin to see things when it will shock us. Hey, what are we not hearing? You don't enter one chance. You don't enter one chance. Is either the family of Yul Edochie, is either they take action now or remain silent forever. Juju Ekwensu and her family, they are about to silence you. They are about to end this man. And the family of the Edochie, is either they interfere now or they remain silent forever. Because this Juju Ekwensu and her family plan now is not a joke. It's not a joke. From a very reliable source, the way Juju Ekwensu and her family they go about this matter, even me myself, I pray may God deliver you. Upon every bad thing where you don't do. You see this one where I hear so. No. Me myself, I say, God, please help this man. Because if you enter this trap, it is called finish. Now, you did an interview. And for that interview, you talk one word, say, May Edochie is his ex. He referred to May Edochie as my ex-wife. And after you did that interview, the only thing when Juju Ekwensu fans speak, now my ex-wife. If you look at them, they be using it to do content. I saw it and not send it because why? May Edochie was the first person that make you a ex, even before you dreamt about it. It was the one begging on social media. We saw it. Seeing is believing. So that ex, now Juju Ekwensu na see pump and put for her fans belly. Say make they use that S, they mock me Edochie. Say you don't finally call me Edochie is S. Since Yul Edochie have called me Edochie is S, that means now she can't get everywhere. She gave herself hope with that S where you talk. Now, my people, to shock you all, Juju Ekwensu and her family are already preparing for the marriage. The marriage of Juju Ekwensu to Yul Edochie. The family of Juju Ekwensu, they prepare. They say to prepare for the marriage, it will take them 1 good year, 1 full year to prepare for the marriage between Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu. Many things need to be done, many sacrifices and a lot of things need to be done. When I hear an okay, maybe not traditional marriage, maybe not so people of Umoji they do, but getting prepared for 1 year, is that not too much? I say anyway, every tradition gets their way when they do their marriage. Now I can't put you here for ground where come here say, this is not about traditional. Juju Ekwensu is not doing traditional marriage. Juju Ekwensu not they do traditional marriage. Before she will do tradition, before she will do anything, there is one marriage she have to do. They say Juju Ekwensu not they do tradition, she not they do church, she not they do all those marriage. Even if she have to do that one now front, this one might be the first one when she could do. Juju Ekwensu and her family, they are preparing you for their Mami water goddess marriage, mermaid marriage. This one not be say you can't come, they'll come break kola nut. No. The kind of marriage which Juju Ekwensu and her family they prepare. Before I tell una say, I said may God deliver you know say the thing strong. Juju Ekwensu and her sister, they don't already they go river. to take all the necessary things to the river. Because Yo and Juju Ekwensu, they will do their marriage in the river. Inside river. And the only people that will be there are people that are water children. People will be mommy water children. I go there. If you don't get that their spirit, no put body. So, according to what we heard, Juju Ekwensu and Yo, they will go inside river. That is, they will go to the river. Carry all this thing where they want to do the marriage. Their ring. They'll carry things so they'll go give mommy water, Fanta, chewing gum, sweets. You know, say waiting there, the sweet banana, all those sweet things. And they'll carry go river. Then they will buy two pigeon beds. They'll buy two pigeon beds, two white pigeon beds, and they will buy. One go represent Juju Ekwensu, one go represent Yo, when they'll carry go the river. They say now this river here, now they will wed there. Now they will do the marriage inside this river. And according to what they said, they need to see who go wed Juju Ekwensu and Yo, not be any other person go wed them. They need to go and do the sacrifice what they won't do. Then after they do that sacrifice, they say the sacrifice now 3 months that they do sacrifice on river. Then the water goddess go come give them their permission. After the water goddess give them the permission, then they will still come and do another sacrifice. Then the water goddess will now tell them the person that will join them together. After the water goddess don't tell them, they will now go to that person when he will join them together. They will also carry sacrifice to that place. Then that person will come agree. Then that person will come give them dates according to what the water goddess wants. It's the water goddess that give them the date they will do the marriage. Not be saying that then go do the marriage by themselves. The water goddess go say, okay, if now Friday go say Juju Ekwensu and Yo, may they come on Friday. Then a week to that marriage, Yo and Juju Ekwensu, they will go and pass a night in that river. They will carry waiting, they will take sleep. They go sleep near the river. The water goddess will now visit them. For that 1 week where they will spend near river, the water goddess go visit them. After the water goddess don't visit them, then they will now have the permission to get married. And the day of the marriage, it takes only people to have that spirit to also be there. Then they'll come do their marriage for river. And the marriage of the Mami Water is that if Yo cheat on Juju Ekwensu, he go buy. If Juju Ekwensu cheat on Yo go stick by. Then Juju Ekwensu be punished by the water goddess. They cannot buy Juju Ekwensu, is their own. Yo is not their own. So if Yo cheat on Juju Ekwensu, we buy. That is the rule for anybody that want to marry the daughters of the water goddess. Hey! When I tell her, say, I pray may God deliver Yo, I have a reason. And then they will take Yo blood, take part of your flesh. Now they see something. Take part of your flesh. So, according to what they say, they will take Yo blood, they will take Yo flesh, they will take his fingernails, they will take the finger way there for a leg, they will take his hair, they will wrap it, then they will put live bed inside the thing. They'll throw am inside the river. That is the Mami Water go, now they go give that thing. They will throw it inside the river, but according to them, Mami Water will collect these things, and these things will be used against Yo if he decides to disobey what they will tell him to do in that day of the marriage. Like Christian marriage now, they will tell you, say, for better, for worse, for health and sickness, for all those things where they talk. So the same thing also goes for the Mami Water. The day of the marriage, they have a lot of things that this man will be surprised that they will start giving him different rules. They'll come they tell Yo. Now a woman I they wed them, not be man. Woman I they wed them. Depend on the woman where the water goddess choose. I go wed Yo and Juju Ekwensu. Now that woman I go come tell Yo say, see the things wey you no go do for inside this marriage. If you go against that law, that blood, this thing, flesh and hair, fingernails, when they put bed for inside, throw go give mommy water. Those things now mommy water go use to fight am. Hey! So if you leave Juju Ekwensu, those things now they will take strike am. And they say the law wey they give, if you marry them for that river, not be small thing. No. There are many forbidden things that they will tell them, things where they forbid. I don't want to mention it because it's a kind of their secret something. So people wey be mommy water una know wetin they forbid. So those things now you need to start forbidding them also. As long as he has got married to Juju Ekwensu. So on that very day, now they go tell you all these things when he go do and the things when he not go do. Since he has got married to Juju Ekwensu. So they say Juju Ekwensu and his family now, they don't already start the process because now 1 year, 1 full year will take them to prepare everything in the river before they get married. So they have already started preparing the marriage between Yoyoyo and Juju Ekwensu that will take place in the river. Nobody can go there except people where they worship the things with them themselves they worship. Chai, my people, no be small thing, no. No wonder Yoyoyo is escaping from Juju Ekwensu. No wonder Yoyoyo don't want to marry this woman. Which man won't marry this kind of woman? Marriage for inside river with a lot of covenants that will go with it. A lot of covenants. How can you be this mumurity? For now, they say that they prepare her. Whether you go agree to it, I don't know. But I pray may not agree to it because no matter what you do, making a covenant with the water, with a mommy water, is the worst thing you want to do. It's the worst thing. Because if you are not part of them to follow their rules, they come when they want to come for the person. They make the person to forget all those promises so that that person will fall into their trap and they will strike. Now make me say, may God protect you. Because if he enter this one, he no go ever feel come out again. Lie. I know some people will say, nah, good for her, make he enter. Yes, I would have said so if it is something more physical. But you see this one deep past you. How can a woman take you to the river go do marriage? See my way there with your wife when they married for Catholic Church. Everybody came celebrating. This one now, people will go the marriage. Now also white chalk and Fanta. Now they go give na eat. Now go eat white chalk. So to now belle go the right chalk with Fanta. All those sweet things. Banana, sweets. And they go give na. Hey, Chineke, my people. Wonder shall never end though. Mona see where you end up. You see that the Edochie family save this man now. Because once they carry this man go do marriage for river, anything that makes him to go against the law, now RIP. My lovely fans, una dey hear. Anything will make you go against the law, now RIP. They not go tell them the consequence. They will use him to swear and do everything. But the moment you try, play any kind of game, they will buy him. It's a covenant. They've already agreed to it. Wonder shall never end, my people. Hey. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.